Hey there guys, so today we want to introduce a new pouch that we've got for you. So we've always searching for better and better pouches, and we've got a wide variety of pouches. We've got our standard top grain pouch, which is a good pouch. We carry the Super Sure pouch, which is the industry leader for laminated pouches, and we carry our kangaroo pouch. Now each has a quality that is specific unto its own, and everyone has their own opinions on what they like. A lot of folks really love the lightweight of kangaroo. However, kangaroo is very thin. You can feel the projectile through the pouch almost too easy. So if you don't have a lot of padding on your fingertips, it can cause you to be sore. Likewise, you can use a thicker pouch like the bonded leather pouch. We just came across a new leather, and this is a Latigo leather. Now, Latigo leather is a combination of chrome tanning and vegetable tanning. So it's chrome tanned first, then vegetable tanned. So it's very similar to the process like a drum stuffed kangaroo. So you get a lot of the oils and waxes in here. But what you end up with is a very supple pouch, but quite thick and very strong. So this is a low stretch pouch that is much thicker than a standard leather pouch. So this is a 3.5 to 4 ounce hide. So these are really good for folks who prefer a pouch with a little bit more thickness to it. These are also great in that they don't stretch very much. So once they do stretch in and settle, they don't stretch anymore. So this is a premium quality pouch. Now we're offering this in our 3 standard sizes, the standard, the 3/4 5, and the 5/8 5. So if you're looking for something new or you want to try out a new pouch leather, our Latigo leather pouches are fantastic. So I'm really enjoying shooting these. I've made it through about 3 band sets with one pouch, and just like Super Sure pouches, they seem to get better and better as you use them. All right, so if you're looking for something new to try out on your slingshot, give these Latigo leather pouches a try. Nice and thick, but quite supple. Only from Simple Shot Shooting Sports. Thanks for taking a look.